On behalf of Premier Health, I hope this message finds you and your loved ones safe and healthy. I don't have to tell you that we are currently living and working in an unprecedented time with challenges that would have been unimaginable not long ago. As the coronavirus pandemic continues to evolve, I want to assure you that the team at Premier Health is working diligently to cover the myriad of components associated with this quickly evolving crisis. We have established a system-wide incident command center in order to quickly respond to various needs related to COVID-19. Our team is working tirelessly to quickly respond to the challenge at hand and to ensure the health and safety of our patients, physicians, staff, and our community. Our clinicians are well prepared to accurately screen for risk of COVID-19 and respond immediately to prevent further spread. We are prepared to identify, isolate, and treat any potential patient who seeks care at our facilities. We are in contact with local and state health officials and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, otherwise known as the CDC, and our staff is diligently following the latest guidelines from these public health agencies so that patients affected by COVID-19 will be able to get the care they need while protecting the health and safety of our associates. We are continually monitoring this situation, guided by our mission and values and a commitment to the patients and communities we serve. Although the situation remains fluid, Premier Health has already taken a series of precautionary steps in response to this emerging public health threat. In order to minimize the risk of exposure to yourself and others, if you experience symptoms of COVID-19, cough, fever, shortness of breath, flu-like symptoms, we ask that you please take these steps. Call your primary care provider or request an e-visit in MyChart. Please do not go directly to your doctor's office or emergency department without calling first, since many can isolate at home without being evaluated in person. As an alternative, Premier Virtual Care is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at premiervirtualcare.com. Virtual Care provides the opportunity to video chat with a healthcare provider, minimizing the risk of exposure to yourself and others. To meet the high demand for COVID-19 testing, Premier Health has set up a collection site in partnership with the University of Dayton in the University of Dayton Arena parking lot. This site offers a process to collect specimens only from patients who have a physician order with them for a COVID-19 test to be performed. To ensure an orderly process, it is vitally important that those who have symptoms that are consistent with the COVID-19 virus first contact their family physician or primary care provider and work with their provider's office to see if they meet certain criteria before they come to the collection site. Following CDC guidance, patients who have a fever or other symptoms consistent with the virus will be prioritized. Our hospitals are following CDC guidelines to identify and isolate patients who might be contagious and to prevent unnecessary exposure to other patients and visitors. We have established protocols to triage patients at hospital entry points, as well as a process for safely moving patients through the facility while in isolation. Our hospitals have the necessary equipment and facilities to provide not only a comfortable, healing environment for patients with COVID-19, but also for other patients. Premier Health Hospitals, along with all members of the Greater Dayton Area Hospital Association, are restricting visitors to limit the spread of COVID-19. Visitor restrictions also are in place for Premier Physician Network offices. Additional information can be found on our website. We have postponed all elective surgeries and other elective procedures that require staff to wear personal protective equipment, gloves, gowns, respiratory protection, and eye protection, which is in high demand nationwide. Procedures will continue for patients with urgent needs. Postponing elective surgeries helps prevent the potential spread of disease and helps hospitals conserve precious resources such as blood, ventilators, and personal protective equipment for providers. We want you to know we are here for you and your family with important information about the health crisis, ways to remain healthy, and suggestions for coping with the new challenges we all face. Premier Health has added a special section to our consumer website, premierhealth.com/coronavirus, that includes the latest news, information on screening locations and visitor restrictions, links to the CDC resources, and more. Please refer your family and friends to premierhealth.com/coronavirus or premierhealth.com/COVID-19 to learn more. In addition, please follow us on social media for updates and tools to help you maintain good physical and emotional health during this challenging time. We encourage you to share this content with your social network as well. We are blessed to have the expertise and compassion of our outstanding physicians, nurses, allied clinical professionals, and support staff who are on the front lines of this ongoing battle. They are truly community heroes who are putting their own challenges aside to continue to make a profound difference during this extremely difficult time. We want to recognize all of our healthcare heroes who are showing up, saying yes, and demonstrating bravery, patience, and compassion. Please join us in shining a light on a healthcare team member you know by posting their picture on Facebook or Instagram, along with a few words about how they're a healthcare hero, and tag it with the hashtag Healthcare Heroes so that we can recognize and celebrate them. We thank you in advance for helping us tell the stories of the real heroes in our corner of the world. During this unprecedented time, many of you have reached out to express your support for our hospital teams and caregivers. It means so much, and we thank you deeply for your care, especially as you deal with your own challenges. Many also are asking, how can I help? We're very grateful for your offers of assistance. We have set up a special email, helpinghands@premierhealth.com, to accept offers of support. Some suggested ways to support are also listed on our website. You can rest assured that at Premier Health, our care lives here for you and your loved ones, now and when we've come through this crisis together. We are confident in the resilience of this community. We truly believe we will come out of this stronger than ever, together. Thank you for your ongoing trust and support. We don't take it for granted.